starting off with the usual, I am going to prime my lids, and then I am going to blend that concealer with my finger. And then to further blend out that concealer, I am using a beauty blender, and then I am going to set my concealer. Why am I keep saying concealer? Next, I am taking my fluffy brush and dipping into that burnt orange shade. I am going to apply that in my crease area, bringing it up into my brow bone area. And we're doing a cut crease, so it doesn't matter if you get the color on your lids. And I'm just packing this color on, and then taking my Morphe E17 brush and dipping into this pink shade. I am going to apply where you see me pointing with my brush. I am going to apply that in the crease area, not really packing the color on, just really blending it to blend in with the burnt orange shade. And taking this purple shade right here, I am going to apply that in the crease area, and I'm bringing it out into the outer corners of my eye, into the V area, and then I'm dragging it in, not all the way in, but staying in the outer area. And then I am taking that burnt orange shade with my fluffy brush, and I'm just gonna go over my brow bone with my with that color so it can show up. And then I am taking my Morphe flat brush, concealer brush, and with my concealer, I am going to draw out a circle cut crease. I believe it's a circle cut crease. Don't take my word for it, I do not know, but I believe it's a circle cut crease or a half moon cut crease. I'm gonna go with half moon because the way it's shaped like a moon, so I'm gonna go with like a half moon cut crease. Is that even a thing? I don't know, but I'm going to shut up so you guys can see what I'm doing. So now I am blending out that concealer, and I also set the concealer but I didn't show it. And I am taking my Luxie 221 flat definer brush and dipping into my purple shade. I am going to further define my cut crease because that color kind of got lost along the way, so I want that color to show up. And as I'm applying that color into my crease, I am flicking up the color, so while I'm applying, I'm flicking it up, applying and flicking it up, as you see me doing, like so, because we want the color to show up on the cut crease. And next, I am going to take my Morphe M408 brush, I believe that's what it's called, with this color right here, I believe it's called Faint. I am going to apply that to my eyelids where we did the cut crease. Now this is such a beautiful shimmery shade, and I don't know if it's my camera or if it's my lighting, but I am 100% blaming it on my lighting. It is not doing the color justice, and I basically planned my whole look off of this look, and even though it didn't come out the way that I wanted it to, it still came out decent, so I'm not mad at it. So I will be getting new lighting, so please bear with me. I am using natural sunlight as my lighting right now, so it's a little iffy, but that's okay. So next I am taking this Naked Cosmetics loose pigment, and it's this champagne color, and that's also really pretty, and the lighting was not picking it up, which is really a bummer, but that is okay. I am packing that color on, and yeah, I'm just going to pack that color on and trying to be careful so I don't get it, you know, up above my crease. So yeah. Now I am going to draw out a winged liner and apply my lashes off camera. And coming back, this is the look that we came up with. Now we are not done with the eyes, but we're gonna move on to the face. So now I am applying my primer, and then I am going to apply my foundation, and then I am going to blend in my foundation. Now I decided not to do my whole face on camera because we've already seen that before. So moving back to the eyes, I am taking those two colors that I applied to the crease area, and I am bringing it down to the bottom of my eyes, and then taking this white eyeliner, I am applying that to my waterline just to open up the eyes. And then I am going to apply a coat of mascara, and then I am going to set my face. Now taking these two shimmery shades, I am going to apply that to my inner tear ducts, and then I am also going to highlight my face, the highest parts of my cheeks, my nose, and my cupid's bow. So now I am moving on to the lips, trying to decide what color I want to do, and I'm gonna go with this nude shade. I will leave the color that I use for my lips down below, but it's by Milani. And I also went ahead and lined my lips, and then I am going to set my face one more time. And that is it for the look. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video.